Hello. In this video, I will be discussing my favorite projects and from the semester and why they were a favorite of mine. First, my favorite project of the whole semester was the mock classroom website. This was a mock website for a second grade classroom. This made me feel like I was actually a teacher. It was so fun to create assignments and make up details that an actual classroom website would have. It was a fun experience integrating this type of technology as a teacher. It taught me a lot about what I want to do as a teacher and how this would help me as a teacher. Next is my story jumper. This one was so fun to make. I really enjoyed it. I'm a writer, so I loved being able to write a little book, but also have it be a lesson. I also love the idea of using things like this in the classroom. This is an interesting way to teach lessons for younger kids that I think could be a valuable tool in my classroom. It was overall just a really fun experience. And lastly, my favorite was the special needs collaboration. Now, I know that this had some bumpy roads throughout the project, but I enjoyed what I learned from it. I think my takeaway from technology in the classroom has always been how important it is for special needs children, and this really opened my eyes to all the different ideas on why technology could be helpful for special needs students. I want to work with special needs students, so having an idea of what I could be using and for what is really important. And this project, while it was difficult, really helped me see that. So this project, I think the idea of the project was really important to me as someone who wants to teach special needs students, and I enjoy doing all the research I could on the idea of technology in the classroom for special needs students. Overall, this class gave me an opinion on technology in the classroom. I didn't really have one before that, and I didn't really think about it as a teacher, why that would be important to the classroom. So I never really thought how it would affect me as a teacher, and this class really made me think about all the different ways I could use technology in the classroom. I really enjoyed my learning throughout the course, and it was a fun topic to learn about and form an opinion on. So, yes, these were my favorite projects of the semester.